Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove 2016 Ford Fusion front bumper. Only way. Start by removing wheel well liners and lower splash shield to expose fasteners. Then unbolt headlights and fog lamp connectors to free top and side clips. Support the bumper with a panel to stop it shifting. Gently pull straight out to release retainers, and set bumper on a soft pad to avoid scratches while you work. First, remove the top grille screws and hood latch cover. Then unbolt the upper bumper bolts using a 10 mm socket while the hood is open. Next, drop the splash shield and remove wheel well screws, unclip fog lamp and sensor connectors. Keep the bumper supported and pull evenly from both sides until clips release. And rest it on a soft surface to prevent scuffs and damage. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like, it really helps out. Quick recommendation. Life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough for a lifetime warranty and lasting comfort. They stay put while you wrench under the car and save you trips for replacements. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. If clips stick, use a plastic trim tool to pry gently and reduce breakage. Keep removed bolts in labeled containers to speed reassembly. Check fog lamp wiring and sensor mounts for hidden screws. Inspect bumper tabs closely and replace any damaged pieces. And when reattaching, align lower tabs first, then press in upper clips while tightening bolts to factory feel for a clean, secure fit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.